So what is the arrest process like in Florida? It is really pretty simple. It's probably a lot like what you've seen on TV. The first thing is we have to think about the fact that this officer had better have a warrant for your arrest or probable cause that you have committed a crime. They saw you commit one. They heard from some witnesses that you committed a crime. And then the handcuffs go on. You get in the back of a cop car, and I hope the cop car has air conditioning. It is Florida. I think it would be a crime not to have air in that car, but I don't know. They have rules on that for dogs, I think, and babies, hopefully for folks that are arrested too. Anyway, the next step is you sit there while the officer, they have a little laptop usually in the car, and they are typing away at their report. This is a dangerous time for a lot of people who've been arrested because there is a temptation to have stuff shoot out of your mouth that is going to ruin your case later. And I want to encourage you to shut up during this arrest process. Even ask for a lawyer, because I have seen, and just some great police reports. Wow, they got nothing. Wow, they got nothing. Wow, we're winning. We're beating this case. Oh, they said some things. Oh, some things shot out of their mouth. Oops, now we're screwed. I don't want that now we're screwed feeling on your case. I want you to be quiet during the arrest situation. And even, it doesn't hurt to ask for an attorney at that point. They're not going to give you one, but there's a technical reason to ask for an attorney, and that is it shuts them down. The officer's not allowed to ask you anything more once you've asked for an attorney. And I like that, and it makes your case better later. So the process from there is, here you are handcuffed in the back of a car. I hope the AC is running. You get taken to the jail eventually. It could take a little while. The officer has to give the jail some paperwork, and then you sit around waiting to be bonded out. The good news for you and all Floridians is, by law, everyone here in Florida is entitled to a bond. And I say everyone, and then I put a little asterisk there because it's not really everyone. If you're charged with murder or rape or something punishable by life, you're not entitled to a bond. So super serious people, no, you're not entitled to a bond. You can hire somebody like me. I can get you a bond even on something super serious. But out of the gate, you're going to sit there out of the gate, right? But everybody else, you guys get to bond out. So be patient. We have 67 counties in Florida. We have 60-something jails and county jails in Florida. They vary greatly in their efficiency. Some will turn you around in 2 hours. Some will turn you around in 22 hours or 15 hours or 8 hours. And I know it's the same paperwork process. It's just bonding out, right? Why? Why does it take one 12 hours and the other 2 hours? It's the government, folks. It is the government efficiency. I can't explain it. Have they ever been able to develop an Amazon that literally you just click buy and the crap shows up like that day? No, this is the government. Literally, a bunch of papers just need to be shoved somewhere and then the jail doors get opened. It shouldn't take that long, but it does. So depending on where you live, you may have to have a greater level of patience for the process. But it's an easy process. I know this sounds like a barber telling you you need a haircut, but if you know you're going to be arrested, call a defense attorney, call a bondsman, because the bondsman can actually look around and say, hey, on this arrest, your bond is going to be this much. The bondsman can say it's going to take 6 hours to get in and out. So you can plan your day. You can plan, hey, maybe I will do this after work and then I'll get out and I'll still be able to work the next day. But those are a couple things that are going to happen and how they happen on an arrest in Florida. It's a simple process. Yes, it is painful. Yes, it sucks, but it's how every criminal case, it's how they start.